Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and today we'll be looking at the hidden SEO value in customer support tickets. Most SEO strategies start with keyword tools, but one of the most valuable sources of keywords is often completely ignored. That is customer support conversations. Every time a customer reaches out with a question, they are revealing something important. They're telling you what they don't understand, what they're struggling with, and what they need help with in their own words. And those exact questions are often being searched on Google by many people. In this lesson, we'll explore how customer support tickets can become a powerful SEO asset and how to turn them into content that actually ranks. Support tickets are incredibly valuable because they come directly from real users. Unlike keyword tools, which often give you estimated data, support conversations show you exactly how people phrase their problems. This is important because search engines increasingly prioritize natural language and intent. These questions also tend to reveal pain points, things users are actively trying to solve. And because many businesses don't use this data for SEO, these topics are often underserved in search results. That means less competition and easier opportunities to rank. The keywords you get from support tickets are usually very different from what you find in traditional keyword research tools. They're often long tail and very specific. For example, instead of a broad keyword like SEO tools, a support-driven query might be something like, why is my website indexed but not ranking? These types of queries are highly specific and usually come from users who are already deep into a problem. That makes them extremely valuable because users searching for these terms are often more engaged and closer to taking action. The reason this opportunity exists is because most companies don't connect their SEO efforts with their support teams. SEO teams rely on keyword tools while support teams handle customer questions separately. As a result, valuable insights never get used. There's often no system in place to collect, categorize, and turn these questions into content. This creates a gap, and that gap is where you find that opportunity lies. Turning support tickets into SEO content doesn't have to be complicated. You first start by identifying recurring questions, that is, issues that come up frequently. Next, you group similar questions into broader schemes. Then, you turn each group into a content topic. For example, multiple questions about login issues could become a detailed troubleshooting guide. Finally, make sure the content matches search intent. Ask yourself, if someone searched this on Google, what would they expect to find? This ensures that your content is both helpful and optimized for search. Support-driven content works especially well in certain formats. Help center articles are one of the best options because they directly answer questions. FAQ pages can also capture multiple related queries. Blog posts allow you to expand more on complex issues and provide deeper explanation. Troubleshooting guides are particularly effective for technical or product-related problems. The key is to create content that solves the problem clearly and completely. This strategy works because it aligns perfectly with how search engines evaluate content. First, these topics often have lower competition, making them easy to rank for. Second, they match user intent very closely because they come directly from real questions. This leads to stronger engagement. Users stay longer and find what they need. Over time, this also helps build topical authority as your site becomes a reliable source for solving specific problems. To summarize, one of the most overlooked SEO opportunities is within your business. Customer support tickets contain real questions, real problems, and real search intent. By turning these insights into content, you can create pages that are highly relevant, easier to rank, and valuable to users. Instead of guessing what to write about, you can let your customers guide your SEO strategy. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.